Hello Mrs. Akidine, hello classmates. Today I'm going to make chocolate cupcakes. But first you need to wash your hands. Like you see, my hands are nice and clean. Clean your surfaces, preheat your oven and prepare your cupcake trays. We need a wooden spoon. We need our cups. You can see there's only 3 of them because the last one is for the vanilla essence. And we need teaspoons. We need a medium serving bowl and a big serving bowl. The ingredients: we need flour, cocoa powder, espresso powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt, eggs, white sugar, brown sugar, oil, milk, and vanilla essence. So I'm going to start with my wet ingredients, which is vanilla essence, milk, oil, vegetable oil, and 2 large eggs. Quarters of flour. Always remember to level out. You make it move. You make it move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make it move. Half a cup of cocoa powder, So now we're going to put our wet ingredients and dried ingredients together. Always use your strength also on this. Now let's put it into 5, the max. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to pour our cupcake mixture in. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. So I used 1 cup and a half a cup of custard sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and a cup of butter, room temperature.
You